tame Angry Bird. This is a tougher level.
What happens at this level?
This level means that piggy is a zombie. It's zombie Angry Bird. Now the zombie has died. Yahoo! Boo! Now the zombie house is broke. Now the piggies died. Now I want to make another one. Zombies. The big strange island.
Well, you've made a lot of these this morning, huh?
A lot of these levels?
A lot of levels, huh?
Yeah, but only on mornings.
Only on what?
Only on mornings.
You do this just in the morning?
Uh-huh. Only on special Angry Birthday. This is zombies in the spook attack. It's called Trick or Treating Angry Birds. That piggy's just wearing the costume. That piggy's just wearing the costume, Mom.
Oh, okay.
Now, yay! Yay!
Good job. Porter, your brother's got your bottle now. I don't want him to spill it.
No, no. This is spooky. Look, Mom. Look.
I see.
It's the evil, spooktacular zombie chase, but the pig is still wearing its costume. The pig is still wearing its costume.
I see.
Now you're still gonna be done. Bah, 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 bah. This is the evil computer.
Be careful, your brother's creeping up on you. Don't hit him.
Yes,
Well, you can play. I just don't want you to
I have
accidentally kick
But
him.
I need this to make a tall computer. My pig. I'm making this so it can be a tall computer so it can know everything about zombie cops. But uh-oh, the computer is new, brand new. Whatever to make. Yay! Yes. Go, 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 go. Ba, 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 ba. Da, 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 da. This is Strategy Crime Store. Eddie said. No, no, no. Body looking. to see you again. You two know each other? Yes, we do. Oh, I think you're my new friend. I am too.
Porter.
No, that was Luigi.
Well, Luigi shouldn't be so mean. Remember?
No.
You should tell
No.
Luigi that he shouldn't use that word hate like that.
Oh, I'm sorry. I don't like your big egg. You're boomerang. Oh, my butt hurts. You're gonna Google me. Mommy, make one more thing. Make one more thing about Angry Birds.
Okay.
Make one more recording.
What's your brother have? Porter, what does your brother have?
He has the W thing.
Oh, that. Okay.
How do you make a spoon?
Oh, you're getting hungry. Again. You shouldn't be hungry. Okay, last thing. Can you say goodbye, Porter?
Bye-bye.
Thanks for watching.